Hello, and welcome back to the finale of Ned's Noisy Kitchen. Here is your host, Ned Sporks.
Hi, I'm Ned, your host of Ned's Noisy Kitchen. Let's get started, baby.
But we cannot forget our co-host. Please welcome Nick Flapjack.
We're so excited for this season's of Ned's Noisy Kitchen. Come on, hop along into the kitchen with us. First up, we have Bobby, a scared, reserved kid. He's really excited to bring his A game to this competition, right?
Yeah. So, my name is Bobby, and I have always loved cooking. I love it so much. It's definitely my favorite thing to do. Whenever I get home from school, I always make a baked potato, because, they're baked, and I always put a lot of cheese. When I was 3, my dad died of strep throat. Like, his throat hurt that bad to where he could die.
How old are you now? How old are you now?
I am 39. I'm kidding.
Oh, you're a funny one. Oh no, it's okay. It's alright.
I just miss him, and he's inspired me to do this because he was a baker. He told us he's nervous, but he has this feeling that he could win, so he's excited.
Let's see what he does. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, Bobby, are you ready to do the greatest cooking show of your lifetime?
Yes, I'm so excited!
Challenge number 1. This is a very simple one, and the only challenge, actually. So, number 1, or the last one, actually, should we just keep going? Okay. Use only the ingredients laid out on your table to create a gourmet meal.
A beautiful meal. I can do that. I have cooked all of these beautiful things.
Do you think you can do that, Bobby?
Yeah!
I said, do you think you can do that, Bobby?
Yeah!
Alrighty, let's get cooking. Alright, you're on the clock for 2 minutes, starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
I went over and I got some peanut butter, because, gotta have peanut butter to make a sandwich. I need a knife to spread out all that goominess. Let's see. So I went over and got my peanut butter, and it was creamy, it said on it. And I was like, creamy peanut butter is the best.
30 seconds!
Oh my gosh, 30 seconds left. No! I didn't get to finish!
He's barely putting it together for the last part of the competition.
He's trying to cut the crusts off. I'm not gonna be able to finish! No! I need to finish my crusts.
Is he gonna finish?
I don't know. Well, you'll find out after this commercial break.
Oh, Ned.
Hey, what are you drinking? Is that soda?
Dude, what the heck? This is my house.
Instead of soda, you should be drinking Dasani.
No, this isn't soda. It's a Dr. Pepper like glass, but it's ice water. This isn't even your house, and this is water.
Instead
It's
of
just
drinking
a
that
Dr. Pepper
stupid
glass.
soda,
It's
you
just-
should be drinking Dasani.
Why are you slamming it down on the desk? It's just Dasani water, which is
Dasani
actually
is
in
about the
my
healthiest
cup.
form of
This
water
is
you
in
can
the
drink.
cup. There's water.
If
Look,
you
it's
pour it
from
on
my
those
fridge.
pigs,
If I just
it'll make their bacon nice and dry. Especially
It's
for
just
those
water.
lava
This-
pigs that
this is
thrive
the
in the
logo.
deserts
It's
of
from a museum
England.
that I went to.
And
It's
if
like
you
a
pour it
Dr.
all
Pepper
over
museum,
those
and
maps,
it's crazy,
it'll
but
mix up the
what's making me
continents
really mad is that
because
you're
it's
just acting like
magical.
you're just
And you
acting
can
like
pour
this
it
is
into
soda,
all
and
those
it's not,
magical
and you're in my
potions.
house.
And it'll
It's
make
not
the
your
potions
house.
healthy,
This is
and
not
it'll
your
make you
house.
grow big and
This is
strong,
not your
just
house.
like milk.
Oh my god.
But
Why are
it's
you not
water,
listening to me? Why are you,
even more
why is he not listening
delicious.
to me? Get out of my house. Is he gonna finish?
I don't know. I need more time. It was like a nuclear explosion.
That's time, Bobby. That is time.
And I did not think I was gonna win this.
Oh, Bobby.
I think it's a bit.
Next up is our second contestant,
Charlie.
Charlie, almost forgot his name. Cut that bit out. He is so excited to perform. I'm sorry, I'm getting the script all wrong.
He is so excited to be baking, cooking for us.
My name's Charlie, and I'm 8. And I grew up in Oklahoma. I live with my mom, my dad, and my pet lizard. His name is Begonia. Just kidding, it's Tulip. All the time, my favorite thing to bake is wedding cakes. I make like gold wedding cakes and silver ones and Halloween themed ones, but that's basically what I like to make.
He's like very excited about this.
Alright, so let's see it. Let's see it then.
Here's the twist, Charlie.
Twist?
You must continue off of Bobby's creation. Oh no, it's just a twist.
Okay.
No, you'll be fine, you'll be fine. It's easy. You don't have to use the same ingredients, but you have to continue off of that beautiful sandwich.
Okay,
Okay, so are you ready?
I think I am.
I said, are you ready?
I said yes! It was an emotional bumper car. Okay.
Go!
Okay. And so I went over and I got the Nutella out of the jar. I'm going for a little bit more of a swirly style creation. This is something that I learned back in my hometown. When I started spreading, I started making a swirl, like I always do. If you swirl it, it won't break. And it broke. It broke everywhere. Now I'm just slicing it to give it more swirl. And I don't know what to do. I'm completely shocked, scared, horrified. This is chocolate spread. Chocolate spread. Chocolate spread. 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 I read spread. The best part of my day was probably when I was like crying all the time. I'd be so sad. I'd be so sad. I'd be so sad all the time. I think I'm hungry. So you see, I ran out of time. We're ready to be judged.
Yeah!
All right, Bobby, Charlie, tell us what you brought for us today. Oh my God. What happened?
I was trying to spread it, but then it ripped. And I had 30 seconds, so I was just cutting the crust as fast as I could. And I just couldn't get it in time. I'm sorry! That's so sad. I feel so bad for both of y'all. But, I mean, look at that. That is spread.
Can you explain what the heck is this little foily thing?
Is it food? Is it edible?
It's nothing! It's just the foil from the can. So, whose fault was this? Who made this the disaster it is? it looks almost as if you, Charlie, did a majority of the damage.
It's only bad because of the crust.
Dad, the crust is
It's just a game show. Why are you so mad?
Oh my no.
I'm gonna have...
No, we're gonna cut it.
No, we're just not.
We both want to win.
You two did a fantastic job working on this. So thank you,
What?
but you're both eliminated this week.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, you're... Oh my god, wow.
The season is over.
No one won? It
Charlie.
was such a disaster.
I hope that you know you hurt me.
If I was gonna be honest, this was the best moment of my life.
Join us next week for another Ned's Noisy Kitchen episode every Friday, 11 p.m. A smile is like a hug that your face gives to someone else's eyes.